calm and cold. You know what? Talk to me. What's the problem?
Have you seen what you have caused?
Choma caused Gini. Are you not the one that said that shoes?
Because you are crying now.
Because I am crying. If you are me, will you not cry? Somebody leave our village to come to Port Harcourt as holiday. After just 1 day, the person will go back. Will you not cry?
Just to pray his anger come on down. No man. You don't listen. Hey.
What is she still doing in this house?
I am sorry, sir.
You don't answer my question.
Sorry, sir.
Answer my question.
She is staying in our house. That is what she's still doing in our house.
And what did I tell you when I was leaving in the morning?
She was crying. I had a compassionate on her. That is why she stayed back, but she will go tomorrow.
I don't want to see her when I come back tomorrow. Did you hear me?
Okay, sir. She will go. I promise you.
It is not that I don't want to go. After every, I'll still go back to my mama's house. Because this is not my mama's house or my husband's house.
I know.
The problem is that I told them I will come back after 1 month in the village. If I go now, they'll laugh me.
Thank God that it is only laugh they will laugh at you. I don't want this to cause a problem between me and my husband. Because
no, ma. So you have taken it in your heart. And you want me to go back to the village.
Joma, please now.
Odema, you leave your house.
I will follow you outside. So I will get a taxi for you that will take you to the park. Onitsha Park. From the park, you'll be able to go to the village now. Choma, become more. Choma, not to cry. It's not my fault. Because you know. Mommy, as we go to the village, Choma, don't do this to me now. Don't do this to me now.
Where?
Onitsha Park.
Okay, enter 1,000.
Oh. Choma, enter the car now. Choma, to enter the car now.
I'm missing Lawa.
Choma, I will call you. Oh, I will call you. Driver, small. Oh, Choma.
I don't want my mother to know that I'm back.
No, Asa, why are you crying? What happened to you?
It's a long story. Let's go inside.
Since you have to just tell me what happened to you, why you're crying. Let's go. Try and understand. If I were to be in her shoes, I would do the same thing. I can't lose my husband because of my friend. Try and understand.
To be on her shoes, I would have begged till we agreed. But he did not. She didn't.
I don't understand you. Eh? But in a situation whereby her husband refused to understand her, what do you want her to do?
Kiri, you don't understand. I hurt. I cried. No, my melody about for
I understand. Just see this thing as destiny. I went to see my mother in my maternal home, but she was not there. She was taken to the hospital, and I'm still back to this village. Yeah? We went to the city and they didn't accept you. You're back here. Just see it as destiny. Only. Let us just continue from where we stopped. Stop crying.
You didn't ask me about the Choma again.
I know she left.
She didn't want to go. I had to force her into the taxi.
Wow, that was very brave of you.
This is one you're dressing up. Where are you going to?
Oh. A friend of mine is celebrating his birthday party tonight.
Eh. And you didn't tell me?
I said I was going to tell you.
When? If I didn't see you dressing up now, you want to tell me?
Do you expect me to leave this house without telling you where I'm going to?
Okay. No problem. You will not go alone. I will go with you.
How can you say such a thing?
You will not go alone. I will go with you.
You are not going anywhere with me.
No problem. Go alone. Go alone. Go alone. you wanting me to follow you to your friend's party? Am I not your wife?
You're my wife.
But what? Say it. You're ashamed of me. You're not too proud of your wife.
See, baby, it's not what you think. But see.
But what? You want your friends to know you're marrying a village girl?
See, baby, I am proud of you being my wife. But some things are better left unsaid.
Oh gosh. Say everything. Say it. You're ashamed of me. You're ashamed of me.
Okay. Do you want to go with me?
Yes.
You can get dressed. It's okay. I'll be waiting for you outside. First.
Why are you laughing?
What is this? What are you wearing?
It is the clothes you bought for me the last time.
Jeez. We are going for party, not a traditional marriage.
You don't like it?
No, I don't like it. Go in and just do something casual, just like me.
I don't know again. I don't know.
Please go in and change to something casual, please. I don't like this. Please.
After all this is my suffering, the more I try to impress you, the more I look stupid.
See what I'm talking about?
Kalusha, it's pigeon flag, baby. I see you. It feel like something touching my lungs. A big song.
Don't say anything. It's not necessary.
Hey, Joe! Man, what's up? It's been long. Where have you been? Oh my God, Joe!
You're looking good.
Hey, I thank God.
Manage is good.
You can say that again.
So what's up now? Your wife?
Yeah, my wife. This is my friend.
My name is Joe.
I'm Sandra.
No, she's in Norma.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's a pleasure meeting you.
It's a pleasure meeting you.
Oh, she's a shy type, you know? Yeah.
Shy or naive?
No, not naive. She's just shy.
Okay.
Now, Joe, man, I will see you. I'm pulling inside there. I'll see you guys later. Yeah. Hey, Joe.
Let's go. Hey, Joe.
Oh, look who we have here. Hello. What's up, man?
You're looking good.
You two are looking good. You came with your wife?
Yeah. That's beautiful.
Hi, my name is Unama.
Yeah, I already know your name. I've been to your house severally.
It is my pleasure meeting you.
Ah, you really taught your wife very well. Is that what you've been teaching her? That's good. Oh, you guys have a nice time, okay? It is my pleasure meeting you.
What is it again? What have I done again?
Expressing yourself in front of my friends. I told you to stay back. I insisted coming with me to this house. Just go. I'm sick and tired of you. Your person, your life, everything about you. I'm sick.
What have I done again?
Everything. You did everything wrong by following me to that party. I've had it up to here. I cannot take it any longer.
Baby.
Don't you ever call me that baby again. Do you hear me? If you do, I'll push you out. Can't you see how you're defiling the game? Oh God.
Ken, how on earth did you end up with such a naive girl?
Please, thank you. Ask him. Ask him. Ask him. Look at him here. Ask him.
Do you know I was watching her devour the cake like an animal? God, she's so naive and irritating. Ken, that girl is not your wife. Gosh.
Thank God. Have you said it? A woman is even helping me complain to you. I've been telling you this thing, listen.
It's okay. I've had enough of this. Enough of this. You guys should leave my office now.
What do you mean by that?
Exactly what I said. Leave my office now, both of you.
Okay. I totally understand how you feel. But from what I saw yesterday night, you seriously need help. Believe me, you do.
Thank you.
Seriously.
Thank you.
Stop staring at me like that, like you don't know what I'm talking about.
The reason I called you is for you to help me. Just like you started earlier today in the office. I need your help. Please, what can be done to correct the mistake that has been made already?
There's only one thing, nothing else.
What would that be? Divorce? How can you say such a thing?
Okay. Life is too short for you to spend with the wrong person. You are presently happening guy who works at an oil company from a well-known notable family. Me, you have friends and colleagues from the upper class. Living without naivety in the world is the biggest mistake you can ever make in your life.
The mistake has been made already. I thought you could come up with other things than divorce. Just let me talk. I wasn't clear like just married a few months ago. And I love her so much.
Oh no, Ken. You can't love the wrong person. I mean, the earlier you let that girl go, the better for you and her.
Sorry, Ken. Welcome. I can't continue like this. So I can't continue. Eh? If he doesn't want me again, he should tell me. Let me go to my mama's house.
I prepared your favorite soup. It's on the dining table.
I'll go and eat. I'm not hungry.
What?
You heard me.
Ken, I can see you no longer want me in this house. You no longer want me. Fine. Thank you very much. When you came to me preaching love, 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 I told you we are from two separate worlds. You said no, you love me like that. Now you have seen everything you want and you're okay. Thank you very much. But you will take me back to my mother's house.
Meaning?
Meaning, I am not a slave in this house. I am not a maid in this house. If you no longer want me as a wife, fine. I have nothing doing in this house anymore. Let me go.
You want to go back to the village where you're coming from? You better do. And stop looking for who to hold responsible for sending you back.
Ken, it's a lie, yo. You will take me back to the village, yo. You will take me back, oh. I was in the village when you came to pick me to the city after your mother sent me back packing. You will take me back, oh. You will take me back. If not, you won't know any peace in this house, oh. You won't know any peace in this house, oh.
Who's that? Hi.
Good morning, Ken.
Morning, Julie. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How was your night?
Cool. And yours?
It was okay. I brought you breakfast.
Oh. That was thoughtful of you. Thanks a lot.
It's okay. I'll be in my office, okay? I'll meet you at lunchtime. Okay. Alright. Enjoy your day.
I never knew you can be this humorous.
Of course, I'm a very lively person. Wherever I am, I like people around me to be happy and lively.
So I've been missing all this while.
Of course you have. You know you're always by yourself. And I was like, what is this dude up to? So proud of himself.
No, it's not been but you understand. You understand.
I didn't there, but I think I do now.
Yes, I do.
You know what?
What?
My friend is having a party tonight, and I'd like you to come with me.
I'm not sure that will be possible.
That would be very possible. We will drive to the venue after work. Come on, I have it all planned out. Just be there.
Not sure. Not sure.
Did my husband tell you of a place he will go and never come back?
No, madam. Maybe that come out in the morning.
Kalusha. It's pigeon flag, baby.
Want to go back to that village nuisance, right?
I'm going to my house. I'm not going back.
Like you never experienced me.
No, don't mess with me. You're not my lover.
You're drunk, baby. Let me take you home.
What? Go for phone now.
I want to have a credit.
I say I get small credit for this, my small phone. You can call Ogana.
Yeah. Let me go and bring his number from my phone.
Ogana, you don't forget say Ogana my boss with me, eh? Ogana my boss, now my master. If nobody here can be.
Call him now.
Okay, madam.
Your phone has been fucking ringing and who's calling you?
I know it's coming.
Okay, madam. Oga phone they ring, but Oga no dey agree. Even as Oga dey visit the place where in dey.
Try him again, I beg.
Okay. I try to love him number to you know where you go.
It feel like something touching my lungs. A big something. This one no be small thing. My baby na helele. Yam no kaine nebe. This one no na ebelebe. Take am jejeje. My baby na helele.
Hi, Ken, eh? Where you there, Ken? Hi.
Madam, no, they do this in way, they do this. What the hell I go do? Oga GM don't cry. Eh? Madam, no, they cry. Eh? If you cry, now you go. Eh? No, they cry. Small time, Oga go come back. Eh? No, they cry like him to go in.
Dr. Chris on the beat.
Actually, you got me in the mood. Actually, I'm feeling good. Actually, you got me in the mood. Actually, I'm feeling good. Last born.
Who is your baby? Eh? Who is your baby? You stupid.
You are drinking. Eh?
If I'm drunk, is it your business? Whatever I'm doing with my life, is it your business?
Come on,
man. Why you holding me like this? This one is so sweet. What a beautiful, sweet world. Why you holding me like this?
Baby, you were the drunk last night.
Hey, not your baby, and stop calling me that. That's not the answer to my question.
You were the drunk last night. So I carry you to the bathroom. I help you to remove your clothes. And I pour water on you. And I fresh you up.
You were there last night. You're just one mistake in my life. I don't even know how I married a village pig like you.
It isn't me you're talking.
Why?
It isn't me, Norma.
How? I don't even know what I saw in you in the first place. I was so blind to see that you're not my class.
I know you are fed up with me. Because you now see city girls everywhere. No problem. Before you do anything you are planning to do to me, you must take me back to the village, back to my mother's house.
So you go and tell your mother that I'm the one that sent you back in, right? Yeah. Stay away from me. Just stay away from me. Do you hear me? If you don't stay being lonely in this place, you can go and pack your things and leave. Nonsense.
I said no to his proposal.
that me, I'm a village girl. He said, yeah, no, now you love me like that, the way I am. And look at the way he's treating me. Huh? Hi. I got to go back to my poor mother. She will die of heart attack. My friends, they will laugh at me. God, oh, please, save me from this shame. Let my husband go back to the man he used to be before. Because God, oh, because... This morning.
I should be telling you that. Hot. Very hot.
You know what? I feel like kissing you all over.
This is an office. It's an open place, you can't do that.
Come on, just understand.
Besides, I'm a married man.
Sweetie, I wonder why you call that mistake a marriage.
We're not divorced yet. I'm still married to her.
I wonder why you haven't divorced her yet.
Julie, go to your office. I will call you when I need you.
If you say so.
So, let's toast.
And what do we toast to?
What is it? No, what is it now? Eh?
I came to tell you that I have prepared your favorite soup. Egusi soup.
How many times have I warned you to stay on your own?
I'm sorry, sir.
I wonder what this village thing will prepare for you. If not some local nonsense. God.
I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. Let's...
But you know what, honey? Very soon I'll start preparing you continental dishes. Cheers.
Honey? Yeah? Wait for me, let me check something. Just hold on. Ephraim. Where's my wife? What's she doing inside your room?
You don't tell why they go and make she go back to your room. She no agree. He says she didn't they cry their face. I don't tell her, say make she go back. She says she no go try him. Say she no go try him. Okay. No be me cause I'm okay. She cry.
Open the gate for me. I'm sorry. Okay. Good.
madam say you don't go drop the lady. She did it, they cry, say she don't go come, she don't go come. Oga, no be my fault, I don't try my best, Oga.
Where is she?
I let her tell her, let she come on, she don't agree. She don't even sleep here.
What? And you, where are you going to sleep? See, let me tell you something. If I see your legs inside that room, confirm yourself a dead person. Do you hear me? These two legs, cut them off.
Now where I go sleep now?
Shut up, are you mad? Do you want to sleep in the same room with my wife? Are you crazy? You asking me when you're going to sleep? As far as I'm concerned, you can sleep anywhere you want to, but not in this room. If I catch you inside this room, from time to time, I'll be watching you. Come on, get out! Where are you going to?
These guys, you know where they just go sleep. Look, you give me this house, my guy to sleep. You want to say your wife, if you call your wife, go run enter here. 'Cause 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 'cause
sleep.
You dey sleep. You dey sleep. Sleep. Sleep.
Oga.
Close your eyes and sleep.
Hi.
Sleep.
I go win you. Oh God, what up? Okay, now. Take off. Oh God, what up? Take off. Okay, I go my kid. I go win you. Take off. What up?
Efion. Efion.
Oga.
Come here. What do you think you're doing with my wife? What?
Oga, no be my fault, Oga. Oga, no be my fault. Na banana, she call me and she say make I come there play the world with her. Then she dey forget the small things. Oga, no be my fault. Madam, make you know my Oga. No mind Oga, na confused. Na in the worry Oga so. Small time you go say you want, small time you go say I no want, I want, I no want, I want, I no want. You know say I say na confused. Na in the worry and so. But madam, you be like say na because you know they cook and so for Oga. Na him make am dey confused like that. You know say when you cook and so for Oga like this, Oga go dey eat am, him brain go dey calm down. He go dey eat well, very well. Adam e bang koko. Yeah, every time. I will teach you how to cook.
okay, honey.
Hey, Julie, I'm not your boyfriend. I'm not your lover. I'm not your husband. I'm just a colleague who asked for your advice on how to handle the issues in his family, but you decided to take advantage of it.
I've advised you to leave that village girl and move on with your life.
And that village girl you see there is my wife and I love her. I'm going back to her to stick to her with all her naivety. I'm going to make her the better person which I want her to be. Do you understand me?
But baby!
Don't out of my office. And never you come back to give me any other advice. Out!
Don't come complain to me, okay? Don't just try it.
Out.
If you say the kind thing will happen here to the guy, I never see Madam face that guy face before. Okay? Madam don't carry her bag, come out.
What?
She don't carry her bag, come out.
What did you just say now?
Okay, not true that they talk so, not true that they talk. She face carry her bag, come out. I don't even know say you go face say she carry her bag, come out if you come back. Oga, Madam no even come out with her phone, Oga. She forget her phone inside my room there. Only she carry for her the vest, a good
Why
vest.
did you call me to tell me that this kind of thing was going on here, Ekfyong? Why?
Oga, I don't know say you go vest now if you come back, go say Madam don't carry her back, come out. Wait, call you. Oga,
which side is she go to? Which side? Which side? Wait.
Oga.
Oh my God. Open the gate. Open the gate.
Okay,
open the gate.
Okay, Oga.
Open the gate.
Okay.
Sorry for all I've done to you. Yeah?
Please, I promise not to be angry with you again in my life. My love, where are you? Please show yourself. Please show yourself, baby. Show yourself, please. I can never be angry with you again, please. What have I done? What have I done to myself? This girl. I will never in my whole life be angry with you again. Please. Hello. Did you see a young lady, tall, fair? Did you see anybody? Okay, just came in. Bro, I'm good. Brother, excuse me. Please, did you see any young girl, tall, fair, has body, carrying bag, and... Oh my God. Okay, thank you. God bless you. Right?
I am a visitor here. I'm going to go to my village. Please, can you cash me 3,000 naira?
What are you doing in the first place?
It is a long story.
You know what I have 3,000 naira.
Why you not do me like this?
marry Ini again. Keno has changed. Keno has changed.
Does your husband follow you?
He should leave me alone. He should leave me alone. I am not to marry Ini again. He should leave me alone.
Baby. Thank God I found you on this road. I've searched for you all over.
Why are you searching for me? Why are you searching for me? I have to come back to my home.
Please.
I am not a slave.
Please forgive me, okay? Please, I am sorry. I'm sorry for all I've caused you. I'm so sorry for all I've done to you.
Leave me alone.
Please, it won't happen again, I swear. I swear.
Leave me alone. Oh, leave me alone. Go you back to your city girlfriend. Leave me alone.
You're getting it wrong. There's nothing between me and Julie. Nothing. Baby, remember how we started. Remember all we've been through. Remember the love we've shared together. Please forgive me. It won't happen again. I am sorry from my heart. Please. Please, I didn't mean to hurt you, please.